up, Daddy?
Welcome. First thing you want to do, you want to slice your onions, get your potatoes, slice them half. Slice the carrots on the bias, kind of thick cut carrots. Preheat the oven, 375. Wash off your green beans. Pour yourself some wine. Gotta drink some wine. Alright, this is after you marinate your steaks for about a day. All the excess marinade, you want to put that back on the put it back inside the pot, inside the glass pot, baking pot, whatever you got. Slice your pepper. Aspen always doing that. Drizzle your olive oil into a medium hot pan. You about to saute, about to get your peppers and your onions. You about to saute them first. You don't want to cook these all the way down, but you want a nice looseness. I normally use Montreal steak seasoning, a little basil, oregano seasoning from McCormick as well. Some fresh ground pepper. Saute them bad boys up. Set them to the side. In the same pan, you want to drizzle some more olive oil in there. You want to keep all that flavor. You want to pan sear these steaks. You're not cooking them all the way, but you want a nice searness on them. Get yourself some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Can't never say that right. You want to drizzle both sides with the sauce. I say you don't want to play around with these steaks, but for roughly about 3 minutes on each side, just to get a nice little color that just get a nice color on the steaks. That's all you're shooting for right here. Drizzle some more Worcestershire sauce on the other side. Set them to the side. These are going into the oven, So like I said, you don't want to cook them all the way, but you want a nice sear on the side. Drizzle yourself some more olive oil, and you're about to saute the carrots. You're not cooking these all the way through. Remember, they're going to cook while they're in the oven, but you want to get a nice saute going. Some more ground pepper. You can never go wrong with ground pepper, fresh ground. I normally use celery seed on these carrots. Sometimes, if you got some celery seed, go ahead and throw some of that in. It gives you a nice aromatic taste. And you want to put the peppers and onions over top of the steak. Carrots right over top of it. Look at that. And we throw the potatoes right in there, just like that. You ain't gotta blanch them. You don't have to cook them down. They all gonna cook in the oven. A little more of that marinade. If you got some of that marinade, you go ahead and throw some of that marinade in there. Get all of that, all that goodness in there. The kitchen basic beef stock. You need a cup of that. Just Just put it right in there, right over top of it. Get some aluminum foil. You want to cover it tightly. Tightly. Not loose, tightly. On the top rack, $375. For an hour and 10 minutes. Here goes the green beans, y'all. We going straight off the, right on top of the stove. Get yourself a little bit of butter. I say about 1/4 butter. Get your nice saute going on medium heat. You know, you don't want them to stick and burn. Smell that good, smell of goodness, smell it. A little more ground pepper. A little drizzle of olive oil. This is we back up here on the top of the stove with the green beans. Put your minced garlic in there. Little Lawry's, a little ground pepper. Give it a stir in. That's at the end. We want to give it a little broil. So that you can see right here, I just broiled it on high for a good 2 minutes. And at the end, this is a funny story about the white sangria. My homegirl Key, so genius. Shout out to you. Brought over Cynthia Belly's Capriccio, and it got us all the way right, man. So shouts out to Cynthia Belly. Voila, there you go. Baked in the oven on 375. And then broiled for about a good 4 minutes. Now it's the plating. I'm real particular with my plating, man. I don't know where I like it from. I can't tell you what goes in my head when I do it, but sometimes I just do it. I just try to make it look nice. I've been watching a lot of cooking channels and cooking shows for all of my life, so this is this comes second nature. I can't really teach this. Look at that, man. I hope all of y'all's turn out just like this. I really do. I didn't put the ingredients for the rice. You can just use white cream, jasmine rice, whatever you want to do. There you go, voila. You gotta come back, come eat with us again. Stryker Eats.